Hello, my name is Stanley Ugagbe and welcome to today's commentary on what is happening in Nigeria. This is the News Chronicle. On today's commentary, we want to delve into the world of sports. Just yesterday, the Super Eagles of Nigeria suffered a humiliating loss in the hands of Sudan at the ongoing African Nations Championships, losing that match by 4 unreplied goals. Now, you recall that last week, the Super Eagles also lost to Senegal by 1 goal in their opening match. Now, with yesterday's loss, it means that the Eagles have officially crashed out of the tournament. Now, for proper background, the tournament is for players that are strictly home-based. Now, to the thrust of this video, after the match yesterday, by the time the update was posted on the formerly known as Twitter, handle of the Super Eagles, it became a battle, a ground for all kinds, all manner of insult, with people calling them all manner of names. I mean, Nigerians who could not have it. How dare they suffer back-to-back defeat? How dare they allow themselves to be humiliated in the hands of Sudan, whom some Nigeria think should not even compete with us in any way? And then some even went as far as saying that the DSS should arrest all the members or all the players that participated in that match. And then you ask yourself, why all of these insults? What is actually the basis for some of these things? And then it reminds me of Job chapter 2, verse 10, where Job said to his wife, "Oh, you foolish woman, is it only good that we receive from God?" And now, what am I trying to say? You recall that in recent weeks, the Super Falcons won the Nations Cup. And also in recent weeks, the Tigers won the Nations Cup. It has been a roller coaster, a winning joy, happiness all over the place for Nigerians. And now, the Super Eagles, the second team, the African, the home-based players, they went for a tournament, they crashed, and then it became a thing of, sorrow, a thing of insult and all of that. And you ask yourself, when other players or other teams go for a tournament, don't they also aim to win? Must it always be us and us alone? So we need to get to a point where we have understanding that, we go for tournaments so that we can win. But when that doesn't happen, it doesn't become, an avenue to begin to rain insults on the players. They have done their best. They have done their best. The best thing that we can do is to encourage them and work harder next time, hoping that by the time we return, perhaps in the next tournament, we will do better than this, other than begin to rain insult on these players. And then it's also an eye-opener for as many who normally say that, when there are tournaments, Nigeria is going for tournaments, Super Eagles are going for tournaments, the coach should always include home-based players. You have seen that, it is not what you think it is. There's a clear-cut dichotomy between home-based players and foreign players. And this tournament has exposed, the differences between the home-based and the foreign player. So in a nutshell, we need to do better as a people. When we lose, we should accept our defeat and try to work better, encourage these players other than raining insults on them. And I also hope that the coach of the Super Eagles will go back to the drawing board, look at the players, look at the selection, look at what they did wrong, and perhaps address some of the concerns so that in subsequent tournaments, we will not be humiliated like the way we did yesterday. Thank you. I urge you that are watching this to follow us, the News Chronicle, on all social media platforms. And of course, you can read us online on our website, thenews-chronicle.com. See you same time next week. I remain Stanley Ugagbe.